Hello everyone, welcome back to our stage on lifestyle show. So right now I'm gonna introduce these products to you. From the booth, the number is 1M06. 1M06 and their company name is Dalian Phoebetai International Trade Company Limited. So first of all, the first products I'm gonna tell you is this towel. So it's for car washing. So they got the double layer, the orange side and then the gray side. And then also they don't have glue in between of the two double layers. It's very easy to use and won't scratch your car. And also it's very good for water absorbing, so like clean your car very easy, and like the clean way. It's easy to use and high density, so and then you just like have this to clean your car every day. And then the second product they have is this very soft towel right here. This is the one layer but it's endless, the edgeless, super soft towel for car cares, and also very good for water absorbed. Also make your car clean, won't scratch your car. That's the important point, right? Everyone wants to take care of their car very carefully. Also they got the third products right here next to me. We're gonna say the first one is a double layer towel, and then the second one, the blue one, is the single layer towel, and then this one is a waffle shape of towel. So also you can dry clean your car or with water to clean your car to make your car very clean every day. They got the very special material right here. You can see the waffle design right here on the towel. So the dirt would just stay on the towel. You won't come back to your car. Very easy to clean your car. Very easy way to make your car clean. Also you can use like outside of the car, like, or also inside of your car. So their products mainly focus on the car washing products. I would just repeat once again the double layers towel right here, and very super soft towel. And then also they got the waffle towels right here to take care of your car every day to make sure it's clean and clear. If you're interested on their product, and please go to 1M06. 1M06. Let them know your concern or your questions. And their company name is Dalian Phoebetai International Trade Company Limited to find their products.